Hey Homo sapiens and Marbats, it's me Rogue Marby Scott. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back any new watchers and subscribers. So in today's video I am going to attempt doing the Bratz challenge, and when I say attempt I mean, well, creating that illusion takes great skill that I am not too confident that I have right now. So I'm just gonna try it out, and yeah, side note, I was pretty much scared when I did this look, and when I started it and when I got into it, it kind of really freaked me out. So I kind of rushed a little bit with the wig and certain parts of the makeup so that I could just take it off, because it was just freaking me out. I just needed to take it off. So there will not probably be any like beauty shots or anything. I'll put up some stills or whatever, but yeah, anyway, I'm getting ready now to do another look. So whilst you're watching this video, just be aware that there's another video coming very soon. So starting the tutorial with my eyebrows already blocked, I'm now going to cover them with some foundation, and I decided, that I was going to block out my eyebrows just because if you're going to have really big eyes as an illusion, then you're going to have some brows to match. And this is what's been seen on some of the challenges. I mean, there have been some challenges where, or people doing the challenge that, emulated just the makeup alone and not the whole doll look. But I decided, I want to try and do the whole doll look. And as a makeup artist, I think it's good for you to push yourself to a limit that you're not really comfortable in. So going now in to do my sketching out of the eyebrows, just making sure that they're in a place that I need them to be for the eyes that I'm going to recreate. So I'm going in lightly with a brown pencil, and yeah, because of the makeup and it hasn't been set, I had to clean off the brow pencil quite a lot, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to, skip ahead, and I'm also going to fill in my eyebrows, and then I'm going to cut them just like you can see here, like I would normally do my eyebrows on a everyday basis when I do my eyebrows. Just setting that in with some translucent powder before I go on to my next step. So using a white eyeliner, I'm just going to place where I want my new eyes to be. I'm using obviously a white eyeliner because if I use black, then it's just not going to work for me because I'm really dark. Anyway, so using a white eyeliner, placing that eye shape at the bottom first, and I am going to, go onto my lids just so that I can figure out where I'm going to place my eyeshadow. So going on with my eyeshadow now, I'm just using a tapered brush, and I'm just, creating a shape and packing on that color as thick and opaque as possible. Just because when you look at dolls, there isn't really much gradients on a lot of dolls that I've seen anyway. So I just thought, this just needs to be kind of a block color. However, when I looked at it afterwards, I decided, let me just give it a little bit of gradient. So I go in with a lighter pink afterwards, as you can see here, and make this look as if it's a look you could wear. So these colors actually go really nice together, and yeah, that's that for the eye shadow portion, and we'll move on. So now I'm going in with some black eyeliner, and I'm going to create the top portion of the eye, and also, drag that into the corners of my eyes. Well, I was gonna say eye sockets, and it does get a little bit messy, but I do clean that up just because I wanted it to be perfect for myself, not for anybody else. So you're gonna see right here it gets messy, but I do clean that up. And also I'm using a black kind of cream based makeup to do my crease and also fill in my eyeliner as well. So moving on to creating the illusion, I'm going in with a white, oops, pardon, sorry. I'm going in with a white eyeliner first, and then I'm going to, you know, use a cream go underneath and create the illusion of having bigger eyes. And then I'm going to obviously use some blues and some greens and some turquoises, so lots of different shades just to create the eye look, just because I want to have blue eyes just like I have blue eyes, so why not, you know, just make it look seamless, like for when I open my eyes and you can see it's both blue. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and as you can see, I'm just being very careful with a very tiny brush, making sure that the details are very precise. So just doing the lower portion of my face with some foundation. I'm going to just place that all over my face, obviously blend that in, and then I'm going to go in with some concealer underneath my eyes, just like I would normally do with my own natural eyes, but I'm going to be very careful not to go into the... It's still wet and I didn't set any of the iris just because I was really scared. I mean, I set some of the iris with some shimmery eyeshadows to, you know, make the blues pop, but I didn't set it too much because I still wanted it to wet look. I actually wanted to have a wet look, you know, shiny and doll like. So as you can see, I'm just blending in with a normal small brush. Nose, and then we're going to move on to my lips. So now I'm just placing some eyeshadow underneath my lower lash line, my new lower lash line. And I'm also going to create some eyelashes using the same cream paints that I've already used. Obviously you can see me looking off camera just because I'm looking at a reference picture of a Bratz doll. So I'm just making sure that my lashes look or are in the same place. Then I'm going to move on to doing my lips, and doing my lips was quite hard because I've never overdrawn my lips before, and the way that I needed my lips to look just looked really unnatural for this look, for the illusion. However, with the photos and the editing, because everyone edits photos, I think the look came together afterwards. So going in with a red lip, I'm gonna, you know, mix that in with a different color. I'm gonna mix it in with like a light pink in the middle, and then I'm going to add some highlights using the white liquid paint that I used on my eyes. Look, guys. So guys, that's how I got the look, and hope you enjoyed the semi-quasi funky hippie casual tutorial. I wouldn't really call it a tutorial because it's a challenge and everybody else has been doing it, and I'm so late to the world of doing challenges right now. Anyway, I'm going to go and set myself a new challenge like I said in the beginning of the video, and I'm going to create a whole new look for you guys. Hopefully it's wearable. Bye. This looks weird. I actually just want to take it off. I'm freaking myself out. Oh my god. Could you imagine we were walking around with big eyes like this?